The average trash hauler. Notice the average trash hauler. Can you smell it? And now, the Brian trash hauler. Shaking lights, chrome. Ooh.
Hang on, I got a little something to say here.
And an elf on the roof.
To all my good friends on YouTube, while everybody else is sitting in their trucks drinking coffee, standing around trees. What is this, December 4th?
Yep.
Don't go sideways, because it's no, it's not going to come out right.
I gotcha.
No.
Oh, it comes out
It's
sideways?
A video. It's going to be sideways.
Driver
everybody
error.
else is hanging out in their trucks, goofing off. On December 4th at, what, 7 o'clock at night or something? Kid's up here polishing his stacks and his stocking feet. Yeah, baby!
Let's see the stockings, buddy. Let's see the socks. Verify we're rocking with the socks out.
Rocking with the socks out.
We got one dirty-ass sock, and we got two dirty-ass socks.
No, the bottoms are great.
Oh, well.
They're not dirty. I put them on this morning, nice and clean.
Yeah, well, we'll
You
see.
smell them? Smell my feet.
Oh, that's awful.
Hang on, get some footage here, Daddy. Wait a minute. Okay.
You can't. You know what we say about that, Brian, don't you?
Nobody drives it like the owner. Oh, you still rolling?
Still rolling. Oh, look.
I think you woke up, what's his name?
It's all right. If you're going to have train horns, you got to wake them up.
Well, all my YouTube peeps, how's she look? This is what it takes. Keep your ride looking all pimped out all the time. Even when you're hauling trash. Trucking trash for cash.